Hi everyone, I am MD Shamrat Miah, and one again I am welcoming to everyone who is at this moment with me. So at this moment I'm going to discuss about few more basic commands which is related with change directories and other things also. So before begin my topics, I want to recommend to everyone who is now with me at the moment or will be with this video after my session. So everyone have to be say everyone who want to learn a Kali Linux and build up a career with Linux, so they have to be follow everyday's classes, so then you can understand. So you if you if you could miss one video, then it will be very tough to you to get a good knowledge or get a good clear view about my classes about Kali Linux tutorial. Okay, so these things are not very hard, but you have to be make your concentrate in these videos. So I'm going to start now. So my first previous class was about change directories techniques, and this session will be little bit related with that, but I'm just bringing a few new things with my this video, so there is a chance to get few more things after change directories with my these videos. So let's start it now. So we know that how can we go to one directories to another directory like this. I'm just going to start that cd. Just a second. If right in here, because I'm in now desktop, so I have to go in home. So I'm in home, then I need to go Kali. Yeah. So from our previous video, so we know that how can we check our all folders in our from our parent directory. So at this moment our parent directory is Kali, not we are not at home at this moment because we are now in Kali. So according to our present situation, our parent directory is Kali. So if I write in here ls, then we have those folders: desktop, documents, download, music, pictures, public, and three of our other files. Two is a text and one is a log file, templates and videos. So at this moment that we can see our all folders from a particular directories by using ls. Ls means list in our Linux, Kali Linux distro. Okay, so um, so if you want to access our other directories without like this means like this. Just a second. We are now already in music Kali, so I can write in here music like this way. So I don't want to go or change or move one directory to another directory like this way. So do we have any different way? Yes, we have. So and how can we get back? So we have to be write this, we have to be mention this change directory after need to be make few white spaces like as space, and after that two dot, then we can go one step down. And at this moment if I want to go up again to the music folder, so how can we do that? So easily we can do that. I don't need to do mention like this way that music. So I can do, instead of this I can write in here cd music. So it's also brings to me with my wanted folder. So it's okay. So I'm going to step back again, and there is another way to move music from my Kali directory. So how can I do that? If I write in here cd, then double colon, and I need to be mentioning here music. This is the same way. So this is the same things, not in the same way. Here is a little bit difference because I mentioning in here with double quotation, where I can also do that without double quotation. Okay, so we know those things about. But if I now till now I am staying my Kali Linux, sorry, Kali directory. So if I write in here list, sorry, if I'm trying to see my all folders from my Kali directory, so here is my all folders and files, everything I'm getting at this moment. But now if I want to see the spaces, so how can I the disk spaces, how much spaces those are using at this moment from my storage, I can also able to see this like this way, ls dash, and need to be right in here s, then it is showing me these things. The total size is 113908. So that means that my all folders and files are using 113,000 at 908 space. Okay, so if I try to mention a particular folder, that how much that particular folder is using downloads or pictures, so we can also do that. ls s, and then need to be mentioned like as desktop, and total is 0, like this way. So what we can do at this moment, I need to be writing here clear, yeah, because it will makes us better to view from my screen, and it will be good to for a better understand what I'm doing at this moment. So we can do also find out our all uh, long files which is now included in a Kali directory. So lsa, here's our long files with links. So those files are already included. We will get those files from our Kali directory after home. So that's the way then we can get a long file options, long files details, after we type ls space dash la. So from here we are getting all long space, all listed file information which are included, which are staying in our Kali directory. But see if I want to see how much spaces uh, my all folders are using now, so I can do that. la sorry ls s, it is showing me that size, which one I already explained you. And then if I write in here ls and a, what it will mentioning now. So when you are using lsa, so that's mean that it will show you the all files, even if in your directory has any hidden files, it will also be come out at this stage. So ls space ls space dash a. That's help us to get the hidden files also. Okay, like this way. And if I write in here, even I can use l, so it will help me to give me all the files with linked. Okay, so those are the linked. So if I need linked file, so I can use that ls space dash l. So you can't, if you mistake like this, if you mistake to put dash, so it will not works. Okay, so be careful about this. So again, I'm doing clear, sorry. So now what I'm doing at this moment, so we are till now in Kali directory. So I am just checking my all folders again from Kali. Okay, those folders I have. But if I trying to get like as my name is MD Shamrat Miah. So if I'm trying to make a directory like this way, sorry, my name with my name, um, Shamrat. Here is the error message we are getting now that no such file or directory like as Shamrat. Okay, so we'll now know how to make a directory. Okay, so like this way that I have to be writing here mkdir, that means make directory. Then I have to write in here my name. Now if I'm trying to find out my directory like this way, so I am in my directory. So for going to step back one step, so I have to write in here cd only. It's okay, it will works. So now how can I do that? What I will do that at this moment for to teach you now. So I will show you how can we make a nested details, a nested directory, not details, sorry, nested directory. So for that I have to write in here mkdir. Then I have to be using here flag. Oh, before I am just showing you this, I need, you need to know how can we remove that. Okay, so for that we have to be stay our parent directory to move our child directory. So so at this moment I'm in till and my folder which name is same as my name Shamrat. I can't remove that from the home directory because I made that from Kali directory. So if I'm writing here rm, then r, and then if I'm using in here Shamrat, and after that if I'm trying to get this like as Shamrat, no such file or directory Shamrat, because that's perfectly removed. Because if I'm trying to look all folders, there is nothing. Okay, so again clear, or after I make a directory, new directory, I can also find that by using throw ls like this way, that mkdir Shamrat. Then if I'm using in here ls, it will show my name. This is my name. Okay, so again I'm going to remove rm space, then I have to use a flag r, then Shamrat. It is doing now. I'm not able to see that because it's permanently deleted. So if I want to make a nested directory, how can I make that? So I have to write in here like this way, that mkdir, then I have to be use another flag p, then Shamrat, Shamrat1, and nested another directory inside Shamrat1 that should be Shamrat2. That is also created. So here is my Shamrat Shamrat folder, and in this Shamrat folder I have already made two more Shamrat folder. I will show you now. So now I'm using Shamrat to find out my folder. So we are now inside my directory Shamrat. Then if I'm trying to get Shamrat1, yes, I'm in Shamrat1. Then if I'm trying to get Shamrat2, I'm also in Shamrat2. So those directories are Shamrat1, and Shamrat2. If I want to see this directory in a not like this way, actually I can also see my directory, nested directories, like this way, like as pwd. It will show me my whole directory, like as home, which one is our all mother directory, then curly, after that Shamrat, after that Shamrat1, after that Shamrat2. So if you're doing a long work with your curly, and if you forget your directories branches, where are you now and how can you come through your lots of directories? So you can use this way. Okay, so now I have to believe in here, but one thing's that you can use this cd to go back to your back to your instant parent directory, but not you can't get access to get your home directory or the desktop directory. For that you have to be mention your white spaces, like as home, then your desktop where. So this is my topic session, the all of things which one I want to show you at this moment with my sessions. And I hope that you enjoyed my previous video, which one also mentioned by few techniques with change directories. I hope that everyone will be subscribed, and with this video it will giving you more and more information. If you are just in a beginner stage for Kali Linux, it will help you. So I hope that everyone enjoyed today's video, and I will try to come with another interesting video with my next session video. Thank you very much. Until that time, I wish your good health and good time. Thank you. Bye.